Realtors, I'm about to show you the no BS way to get AI to literally do all of your work. Yesterday, I showed you guys how I make custom AI postcards for my team's listings. Today, I'm gonna use that task and show you how to take something that I have to do on a week-to-week basis and have Codex do it for us every single week. Let's get to today's lesson.
First step, install Codex for your Mac. I'm not sure if this can even be done on a Windows, but I know it can be done on a Mac. This needs to be on a terminal like a Mac Mini or a standalone computer that can be left on all the time. The fundamental difference between the way you're using AI now, with chat you ask a question and then you get a response. With Codex, your computer will learn what you do daily and then re-perform those tasks whenever you want. Once you've installed Codex on your Mac, log in with your ChatGPT subscription. Depending upon how much you use, you could get away with a $20 a month plan. I'm on the $200 a month, so I haven't run out of tokens and I use this thing 24/7. Next, go to plugins and install computer use. Then install Chrome, Google Drive, and Gmail. Lastly, you have to search for the record and replay plugin. Having all of these will allow Codex to record and control your computer. Now go to create a new project. In my specific use case, I'm naming it my weekly just listed and coming soon postcards. Attach Chrome and the record and replay plugins. Now just hit record. You basically have 30 minutes to teach it whatever you need to teach it. In my case, I'm going to go to Bright MLS and I'm going to find all of my team's active listings. We have 37 active listings right now, so as you can see, this is a painstaking process. Now I'm going to take a listing and screenshot one of the front exterior photos. Then I'm going to go to my Teams portal, go to my marketing and my postcard section and open up the Canva links. I'm going to open up ChatGPT, upload the house photo, upload the classic advertisement, and also the listing description. I'm going to specifically ask for 3 versions of it. Once complete, and I've taught it specifically how to make 3 postcards for each listing, I'm going to hit stop recording. Codex will ask you a couple follow-up questions to make sure it's locking in the steps properly. Now I have it set up to run autonomously every Wednesday and Friday morning, and it's emailing the agents as me. So would you use this for marketing or following up with your database first? I'd recommend turning this thing on and recording the next time you have to write a contract, and you'll never have to do it again.
That's it, guys. It's that easy. Now all you need to do is use the ChatGPT app on your phone that you already have. Top left corner, go to Codex and just pull up that same project that you've already done before and ask it to do it again. It's that easy. So if you want the full blog with all the details on exactly how to do this, comment the word freedom and I'll DM it right to you.